Let's learn about intervals. An interval is the distance between two notes. Looking at the white keys on the piano, one note next to the other is called a second. From here to here, or here to here, or here to here. It's a second, whether or not it has a black key in the middle. There's a second. There's a second. A third is when you skip a key, because we count the first and last notes. 1, 2, 3. Here's a fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a fifth. Five notes, including the first and the last. Those are basic intervals. Let's look at diatonic intervals, which are intervals that are built on a scale. Scale intervals. Looking at the circle of fifths that we have already learned before, let's pick a scale. Let's say the E scale, E major. It has 4 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Here is the E major scale with these sharps. When the first note is repeated, the keynote, that's called a perfect unison. The first to the second note is a major second. The first note to the third note is called a major third. Here's a perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major seventh, perfect octave. Let's take the C major scale. It's easy to see with only white keys, no sharps or flats. Perfect unison, major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major seventh, perfect octave. The unison, fourth, fifth, and octave are called perfect. The octave is 8 notes. The second, third, sixth, and seventh, using notes of the C scale or of any scale, any major scale, are called major second, major third, major sixth, and major seventh. You'll get to know what these sound like in ear training class when you listen to the sound of them in any scale. They might already sound familiar. Let's take the F scale, for example, F major scale with B flat in it. Here's a perfect fourth and a perfect fifth. Let's hear it an octave higher. Perfect fourth, perfect fifth. Here's a major third. There's a major triad consisting of a major third and a perfect fifth. I suggest that you practice the diatonic intervals using all of your scales. Take a few different ones at a time and play and name the intervals, the diatonic intervals, using the keynote and various notes above that belong to that scale.